Yeah. Getting it. Lift up, crank, go down.
Yeah, guys.
Oh, I got another one.
It's a big one.
Wow.
Booyah.
That's mine, huh? No.
Nice.
Come on. You gotta keep me.
Come on over.
Go down that way.
Sorry.
This is not mine.
No, this isn't yours.
We have to run over here.
Dennis?
Yeah.
You can't catch anymore. You caught enough already.
Yeah. Going bigger?
Sir, follow him down this way. We'll trade off. Whoever's caught this one. Yeah, whose line? Who just caught this one?
I did.
What's your number?
There's a boat tangle.
You in change?
Keep winding on there. You're good. Well lift up, wind down, steady. You got the other side of it?
Now wind.
Where'd it go out there?
Now lift. Now wind.
What is this? You got the hook?
No, he's still a ways down there.
Wow.
Lift up, wind down, slow. Lift up, steady. Wind down, nice and steady. No jerks, just no jerks, nothing. Nice and smooth. You gotta lift up, wind down.
I think I see something.
Lift up, wind down, because you're not getting no line when you keep winding down as far as you're going. Your line's not going nowhere, so just keep lifting up nice and slow, steady and even, and wind down.
I need to hit the freaking gym.
Come on, Jenks.
Dude, I just had a nice one. I tried to set it.
Let me get your hook.
Now just keep winding when it's soft.
Oh, you're gonna hang it out? Okay.
Oh, no, I think I just saw it.
Still got one guy. You got one fish?
Is that it? You'll get it eventually, don't worry.
I feel like somebody's fucking with me right now.
Yeah, fishing.
Can't lift anymore.
Okay, you can't do that. You gotta keep lifting up and winding down on it. I know you're tired. You can't just set your reel on the
This fish is dead. Bring him up now.
Set him to wind up. You're not going to.
You got him. Come on, Yankees.
Yeah, just keep on him.
Remember, the fish's more tired. Got
There
this.
you go. Keep him coming. He's dead. Just bring him up.
It's a little easier now.
Nice
He
and
got
steady.
the little
Not
high.
so high. Just about to there.
I see color on it.
All right.
No way.
Yeah, you're getting it.
Right there.
Good job.
All right. Deep color. He's almost dead here. Keep him coming. See on this?
That's right.
Slow wind, sir.
You're out there?
Yeah. Keep over him.
You can't lose him. You can only get him.
Yeah, it's hold on. You're on this fish over there.
Wind down.
All right. Good work.
Short little pump. I'll coach him. Get a wine.
Remember, fold. I know. Come on.
I see him.
No, I'm filming now too. Why? Because it's almost done. Alright, it's recording.
We're not.
That's a good one, Miguel.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
One. Left.
Oh, wow.
Good job, Morgan. Look at you.
Check that out.
Uppercut.
Oh, it's dead now.
My back hurts.
Look at that. Chris, look at it.
All this over here.
Wow.
Guys.
Wow. It's a big one, movie.
I think it's the biggest work the hardest.
Man, I can't feel my arm.
Wow, how do you feel after catching that?
At a loss for words.
Good job. Good job. Look at that. Oh, and that guy, he's done.